spring is here and things are starting to look great. The perennials are starting to pop up out of the ground and show some green, and it's time to mow. So since I started mowing this lawn at a 1/2 inch, I've kind of had a little bit of scalping and it's kind of looked a little bit yellow. So I'm kind of hoping that with the plant growth regulator and with the continued mowing at a 1/2 inch, I'm gonna start getting green that low. And I'm pretty sure that will happen. The grass just kind of needs to get used to that. So I'm gonna do the mowing today. Today is Tuesday, May the 8th, and it's time to get it on. So the mower's out of gas. I'm gonna put some gas in it. I checked the height of cut. We're right at a 1/2 inch, and I checked the reel to bed knife. So I'm cutting paper really good. It's crisp and clean, and so we're ready to go. So I'm gonna put some gas in this, and I'm doing this on the concrete for you guys so I don't get yelled at. I only put non-ethanol fuel in these small engines. I think it helps with the carb. I think if you're using it every day, I think regular gas will be fine. But I don't use the mower every day, so I like to put non-ethanol fuel in all of my small engines, and I would recommend you do the same. See if I can do this. Right there. I got it. Whoa! Just about had a spill over there. It's right to the top, so good thing I was on the concrete. So I think I've got a little issue right here. So the gas is totally full. If you can see it here, it's totally full. And then this is totally full. I filled it too much. And then it's starting to leak out right here. Look at that. So that's not too good. So I'm gonna do some edging first and then get to the mowing. Hey, so before I mow, I just want to show you something that came in the mail today. It's from this guy. So this guy's super nice. I want to show you what's inside this package. And would you look at that? Mr. LCN himself, Alan Hain. So I want to thank Alan for sending this. He's an awesome guy. He's got awesome videos. He's helped a lot of homeowners make their grass really nice, and so he deserves credit for that. If you guys are not subscribed to Alan, you should be. He has an awesome lawn channel and he's been there for years. It's kind of been the mainstay in lawn care for DIY folks like me. So I like to kind of go back and forth on the trim passes. Several times on the same stripe, actually going in opposite directions, because I like to get the cut super clean, because when you go over it one time, it kind of folds the grass over and then cuts it, and then this rear roller rolls it. So if you come back the opposite way, it kind of folds it back up, cuts it, and then it rolls it down again. So kind of just gives a nice cleaner cut. There's a chance. Hey, so I've got a word for you guys who are armchair quarterbacks sitting at your computer going, those stripes are not really straight. That is harder than it looks with the walk behind. Your first pass is where you want to get the straightest line, and then all of them after that are easy. But with the double stripes like that, it's not as easy as it looks. Maybe with the riding mower where you can hold the wheel just perfect, maybe, but in order to appease the masses here, which I'm trying to do, I'm doing this for everybody else, not for me. I'm doing my best over here, so just cut me just a little bit of slack here. Okay, folks, here's the cut line. It's right here. Here's the stuff I cut. That should be about a 1/2 inch, and it's pretty well looking pretty good at about a 1/2 inch. And then it looks to me like I'm cutting off about, maybe a 1/2 inch, maybe a 1/4 inch or so here. So that's not so good. I didn't mow Sunday and Monday. So I should have mowed on Monday because I mowed Saturday. So that's that's 3 days I didn't mow. So that's not so good. So it looks like I kind of broke the 1/3 rule again, which is not good. I would prefer to cut as often as I can. So this is a little bit longer than it should be, but you know, I can only do what I can do. But I very much enjoy doing this and unwinding and relaxing as I come out here after work and just kind of mow.